What's up guys? So, we are a month away from the official unveiling of high-end flagship from Xiaomi the Mi 11 Pro. Anyway, if you want to get video like this, sub to this channel will be amazing. Now, let's start the video. So, we heard that Xiaomi is testing a few design, one within one without a punctual selfie shooter, and Xiaomi is also certifying the Mi 11 Pro the IP68 rating. Finally they are focusing to surpass the fast charging limits. Now, what we have is the latest sketch of Xiaomi Mi 11 Pro, courtesy Duan Rui, and best looking concept made by Band Gaskin. So the previous design we saw had some mistakes. This one got 4 cameras placed together, with a dual-tone LED flash on different column. This design is more clean than the previous one, and you can see it is some accent of Mi 11, like the black background for primary and secondary shooter. Xiaomi is using a 50-megapixel OmniVision sensor, which is going to perform really good, and then there is a super wide-angle lens plus maybe a macro or portrait. And finally a periscope lens with 120x zoom. This combination with IP68 rating, flagship 888.5G CPU will make it an amazing flagship. So, see, the main flagship issue with the Mi 11 is that it missed out on telephoto lens, but Xiaomi uses that primary 108 megapixel camera to take some nice zoomed shots, but still there is no way they can get the clarity of telephoto periscope zoom from that primary sensor. So, the sketch of Mi 11 Pro again confirms that Xiaomi is stepping up the game and using a periscope lens with 120x zoom. Some more information says the Xiaomi may use a huge heating pipe in the Mi 11 Pro. The Xiaomi Mi 11 got some small copper sinks, but it's not as good as what we saw in the Xiaomi Mi 10 or Mi 10 Pro. The Mi 10 had a huge heat sink, and there was no heating issues whatsoever. So, the initial reviews and information from China says the Snapdragon 888 is heating a lot in the Xiaomi Mi 11, and one of the reason is poor cooling system. So Xiaomi is fixing this to the Mi 11 Pro. Xiaomi has officially started teasing the global launch of Mi 11 series, and this means it's not only the Mi 11, but a whole series. Yes, Xiaomi may debut the Mi 11 Pro at a global launch event. So that's gonna be exciting, and for those who don't want to spend that much, Xiaomi is working on a Mi 11 Lite. It is coming with a flat display with punch hole on top left corner, and yeah, the design looks good. Of course not the final design from front, but the back has similar look like the Xiaomi Mi 11. They say it will use Qualcomm's mid-range 732G CPU, and will arrive in 2 different color options. Anyway, what do you guys think about it? Let me know your thoughts on that in the comments down below. And if you somehow like this video, sub to the channel will be make my day. And my name is Arjun. This is Digital Outside. So as always, I'll catch you guys in the next one.
Gotta let you say, 'cause I fuck it up. So appreciate